So I have a 100-year-old Pathex projector, and looks like this, 9.5 millimeter film. I did not want to go and just plug it in because it has cloth wiring. I did use my own meter to test to make sure there's no shorts. But the only way to be on the safe side is a varactor. So we got everything plugged in, and from what I could see, there were no shorts. So what I'm going to do is slowly turn up the power and bring it up and see what happens here. We got a little bit of light. And the reason I'm a little concerned is everything's 100 years old. Okay, so the motor's turning and the light is on, and this is in lieu of turning the crank. The motor will actually turn it there. So we're running at about 90 volts. If I go up a little more. So far, so good. Looks like this projector is going to work. Time to power it back down. Have a good day.